Hello, good evening. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Little bit of good news is there. Things are easing up. टेंशन थोड़ा कम हो रहा है. सामने पूजा आ रहा है. माहौल थोड़ा गुडी गुडी लग रहा है. आ जाएगा एकदम हम लोग फिर आगे का मजा लेंगे. अभी आते हैं अब हम लोग का जो चर्चा है रिलेशनशिप मार्केटिंग उन्हीं के ऊपर. We discussed about relationship marketing, we discussed about the customer and the brand, and today we will conclude this part of our discussion on relationship marketing through communication. Because communication is the in thing which will make your relationship successful. कुछ आवाज आ रहा है? ओगो सुनचो सुनिए जी. I think you relate to that. Now, in this, there are 4 things. One is clear communication, precise communication, relevant communication, and concise communication. It is clear. कोई अंडरस्टैंडिंग में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हो ही नहीं सकता. Precise communication, only 2 words, and there is a definite call to action. Call to action means आप बोल रहे हो क्या करना है, और जो सुन रहे हैं उनको भी समझ में आता है कि क्या करना है. अगर हम बोलेगा हम इधर जाएगा ढकोरिया से जादवपुर, जादवपुर से बालीगंज, बालीगंज से फिश फ्राई खाएगा, दास केबिन में बैठेगा, फाइनली हम गपशप मारेगा, क्या होगा, मन थोड़ा अच्छा लगेगा. यू नो ऑल दिस मीन्स अरे चलो यार थोड़ा मजा करके आता है. दैट इज अ कम्युनिकेशन विच इज प्रिसाइज, विच इज क्लियर, विच इज रेलिवेंट. तो इन कम्युनिकेशन देयर आर सर्टेन थिंग्स विच हैव टू बी kept in mind. The next thing, suppose I tell you, अरे मेरा सपने में एक परी आया था. लोग बोलेगा अरे वाओ कौन सा परी, क्या नाम थी. तो you know there is a wow factor. तो it is always important to communicate in a manner which generates a wow factor. You know, there should be some excitement. You know, there should be some bubble. There should be some energy. You know, some expectation, some surprise element in your communication. So friends, let me share with you, if you have that bent in your communication, you will always be successful and people will listen to you. They will not only hear you, but they will listen to you. So, the important thing is to understand that you only have very little time, very short time for you to communicate. If you communicate in the lengthy manner, आप किसी से फोन पे बात कर रहा है, बात करते ही जा रहा है, 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 और देख रहा है कि 1 घंटा हो गया, कोई बात समझ में नहीं आ रहा. ये होता है. And then next time when that guy will give you a call, you say that tell him I am not available, or you don't pick up the call only. So it is very relevant as to how we communicate and what kind of energy we have, or what kind of wow factor we generate in our communication. Next, the proof of the pudding lies in the eating. And once you eat, खाना हो जाने के बाद हाथ धोना है 20 seconds. Remember? ये फैक्टर क्या है? प्लीज डोंट एक्सपेक्ट जो आपने कम्युनिकेट किया है, जो बोला है, किसी ने एकदम माइंड में घुसा के उसी के पीछे भाग रहा है. नहीं, यू डोंट हैव एनी एक्सपेक्टेशन कि जो बोला है वो किए जा रहा है. Defy all expectations and follow up. Follow up, follow up, and follow up. I will repeat, friends, follow up, and follow up. Then only you will get the result of your communication. Then only the target or the objective of relationship marketing will be achieved. Because if you expect, हमने तो उसको बोल दिया, वो तो करने ही वाला है, तो you may land up in trouble and your objectives may suffer a jolt. Gentlemen, it is these basics which happen in our daily lives which form a very big element which leads to success in relationship, which leads to success, which leads to results, and finally our objectives are met. So we will catch up again with some interesting facet of marketing, and that would justify our evening adda called marketing news. And before we part today, let me thank you that I have achieved more than 100 subscribers in very short time, and I am sure that I will be able to honor my task which I have taken up to be with you, to give you certain tips from daily life, and to share with you my experience that I have had over all these years. Thank you. Namaskar. We will catch up again, and this time somewhere outdoor.